you don't have you seen this technology before? Yes or no? So you must be knowing it's a wall. Okay. So you have seen brick or a block mesh and wall. Okay. So what is the requirement of brick and block? You need to machine it, you have to water cure it, and then you have to plaster it. And that again you have to water cure it. So you know how much water will be used. And that water should be a sweet water which can be used for drinking and our other things. This panel doesn't require any water curing or anything or a plastering. So it is called a dry wall construction. Dry wall means there is no use of water. You can install it, make a putty finish and you paint it. So that's why it's called a prefabricated cement sandwich panel. Prefabricated means the panels are made in a factory and it comes to the site. And it is these are covered by fiber cement sheet, all ceilings are done. So it is finished. Now no one can make it. Flooring as you can do, the conducting wiring you can see. This the conducting wiring is all conducting. And then it is finished. And then you get it to the all things what you can do in a conventional, the same thing you can do. Just you have to execute and plan it properly. Just keep it. There are many questions when you go to some new thing. How tiling will be done, how kitchen will be done, how bathroom will be done, how door will be done. So this is the reason why central government is using such technologies. So freshers like you who will come, who will see, who can keep in mind if you have some projects and you have a challenge. So you must have an option whether we should go on a conventional or we have a better option. So this is a better option you can work out in your future coming projects if you are working on some project. Do you have any questions? See, all these structures are designed and vetted by National Institute of Technology, NIT. Any technology, any NIT vetting. At the time of vetting, they consider the structure and everything. So conventional, compared to conventional, if we are reducing the dead load and you are increasing the stability. So the life in terms of years to be calculated is more than 50 to 60 years if the building is maintained properly in each 8 to 10 years. The life is almost same as conventional buildings. Or you can increase.
What about the maintenance?
Maintenance is normal what we have to do after finishing, after 5-7 years you have to pay it and maintain.
Just painting also?
Huh?
Just painting?
Yeah, painting. Because basic thing is a cement. Cement is already used and it is trial and tested. Cement like concrete life is more than 50 to 60 years. But we see the bridges, the old bridges which are, you can see the railway bridges which Britishers have made. It is more than 150 years. Why? Because it was made by steel. So steel life is more than concrete. You can compare it if you are using steel, then it will have more life, it is maintained properly. PPP is okay. Now why government is pushing this thing so we can get more people will come into this industry and they will make a content industry. As the market will grow, then technology industry will come. You will get it easily. Maybe after 4-5 years, right now you are taking, we are transporting from fuel. After 5-7 years, maybe you can get it from Calcutta or Guwahati. We have to make a commitment for that. One for exterior we had used 90 mm panels. For interior we had used 75 mm panels. And for floor slab, these are also panels. Because we want to replace concrete, if you want to make a slab, you have to use a concrete. So we had made a grid of our MS structures and used 60 mm panels. So there are three thickness. 60 mm for a floor slab, 75 for partitions, and 90 mm for external wall. You can do conducting. I will show you community center finished. I will show you how the conducting wall ties are done. But this is you can make a frames. After installation of panel, everything can be done what you can do on a brick and block work. You can take a conducting, you can do all sort of concealed wiring, plumbing and everything. You can make a tile, wall tile and everything. There is no any limitations compared to brick or block wall what you can do on that and you can't do in these panels. Okay.
Cost.
Construction cost, if you compare, it vary from region to region. Means it aggregates, I think in northeast region aggregates are expensive. So almost construction costs are same in compared to conventional building and this prefabricated. Almost it's come to the same cost. There is not much difference. We have to plan it properly. If you plan it properly, we will execute it properly, then construction cost will be not much. Second thing, you get a 100% value for a building. You can reuse these panels, you can reuse this structure, you can dismantle it if you want to take it somewhere else, so you can take it somewhere else. So value of structure you can get. If the conventional building you will make, then you have to dismantle it. You can't reuse it. Then you have to make it a scrap and throw it. So thing is that 100% value of structure you can get. That is the major part.
Construction time.
Construction time is very fast because there is no need of sanding, casting, no need of curing. So it is very fast construction. In slab you have to make a sanding, then you have to keep the supports for 15 days. Then you can take the supports back and take to another floor. But in PEV you don't need to make any sanding systems and support systems. So it is very fast construction. It depends upon the management, how you can manage it and you can construct it. You can build it in 6 months also. But as these panels are being transported from Surat, where is Surat, you know, Gujarat. This is east and Surat is far west. So 3,000 kilometers, from 3,000 kilometers, these panels are coming here. It's transported and then installed. So that is the thing that that time is getting more. Any other questions?
What do we use for running on this material with this material?
We have a epoxies and acrylic putties we joins together and we treat it with a paint. Even there are some polymer elasticity paints are also available which can bear the expansion contraction joints.
How strong is it?
In terms of compressive strength is 5.6 Newton per mm square, which is almost same as a brick. Block strength is less. Block strength is around 3.5 Newton per mm square. But this panel strength is 5.6 Newton per mm square. Strong.
Yeah, the joint.
Joints are normally we use that channels. You can see that GI channels for installing the panel. So it holds that panels. Top and bottom you can see GI channels. These GI channels are used to install the panel. The support and it is not an issue because of it. Hold panels very much. So you are from civil faculty, civil engineering?
Yes.